Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I'll show you how to install a car key protector. So I have purchased this car key protector from Amazon. So you can purchase it from Amazon or Flipkart or any online store. So this type of protector will help your key to protect from any external damages. So let's see how I can able to install the protector in my car key. So first of all you have to install the silicon part. Then you have to install the two casing, means the casing is basically split in two part. So first install the bottom part and then install the top part as shown in the video. After that you have to install all the screw. The four screw are provided to fix the external two parts, that is the metal part. And after installation you can see, so first install all the screw in its positions. So friend, now you can see the key is looking much more better, and frankly speaking it is very robust now, and the external body is made up of metal. Now I will install the clip part. So friend, you have to install this rubber part as shown in the video, and then you have to just screw it with the clip part. So after completing all the installation, it look like this, and you can see friend, it is really looking very amazing, and the entire build quality of this protector is very good from my viewpoint. So friend, you can see friend, it is looking amazing, and this top white part will glow. So friend, I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you.